Hello, Auto Assets here. Just giving you a walk around this Triumph Street Triple 675. I'll do a full walk around of the bike and I'll get it started up. So we'll start down here at the forks, which are in good condition. Plenty of life left in the pads, discs and tyres at the front here. Michelin Road 6s on the front. Again, very nice tidy bike. Hopefully you can see into the radiator there. Got some crash bungs on there. Hopefully you don't need them, but they're on there anyway. The knee pads to protect the tank. No rips and tears in the seat. Rear pegs are on the bike, and again a Michelin tyre here on the rear. Chain and sprockets are in very good condition. Adjustable suspension at the rear. We've got a quick shifter as well. Again, rest of the bodywork is in very good condition. You've got heated grips, factory fitted, along with adjustable suspension on the front. Let me get the bike started up and you can hear how she sounds. Let's get the bike started up for you. So you do need to pull the clutch in to start her up. Oh. Just confirm. Mileage there, 14,390 on the clock. I'll just walk around the bike, confirm everything's working as expected. Got your indicators there. To the other side. Got your standard running light there. And full beam. On works. I'll give it a few revs, you can hear how she sounds. There we have it. Triumph Street Triple 675. Any questions you've got with the bike, please let me know. Cheers.